So today we have the safety's first 360-degree cool mist ultrasonic humidifier. Where we get this, Nisha? We can't hear you. Speak up.
For the baby.
We get it for the baby. What happened to the baby? She stuff up.
It's good to have one in general.
Nobody talk about say just good for have. Why we are using right now?
She's stuffy.
Because the baby stuff up, booger run down her nose. You can't even kiss her without feeling yucky. What you say? Well, the baby behind me, they played some little toys with her mother. So we're going to set up this humidifier for use it for the first time. So I guess this is going to be a product review. Might as well. So as you can see, me say so enough time, not you? Me must know. Me know you. So anyway, as stated on the box, is supposedly hospital's choice. Ooh. So we're going to see how true that is. So this is what it looks like when it's out of the box. It actually came as you've seen on the picture, but I went ahead and take it apart to demonstrate all the little different compartments of the humidifier. And then first thing first, the type of oil we're going to use is, what kind of oil is Nisha? Eucalyptus. Spell that. You can't spell that. What happened? Say that again. Say it louder now. Say it louder now.
Just say it.
No, you say it. Say it now. Speak up. Speak up with Auntie who? Say that. Come closer now. Yaik. Auntie Yaik. Who else? Auntie TT. Forget so eucalyptus oil from back home in Jamaica. So we're going to add this to the water. The eucalyptus is supposed to have a nostril clearing ability, so we're going to add that to the water. So that's supposed to spread into the ear and kind of clear the baby nose and clear Nisha nose, because she have booger problem too. Sometimes she did snore at night and sound like sitting at dead or they explode. Don't you, Nisha?
No.
You know, sound like some kind of monster when you snore.
No.
You too lie. So anyway, back to this. So this is the base of the humidifier. As you can see, you have your steam control, your power indicator. The red light comes on when there's no more liquid in the humidifier. So this is where you actually fill up your humidifier with the liquid or the water, whatever you're going to use. And right there is the fill line, so you don't want it to get no higher than basically below this line or the last groove of the, I guess you can say, the ditch. So the second part to it is the humidifier cartridge area. So as you can see, it has a couple notches, and then as you can see, the grooves right there basically allows it to snap in place like that, as you can see. And then you have your top piece that has two vents, so you can have them facing the same way if you want, or you can actually spin the top, so if you want the mist to be shooting in at different angles, you can do that. So we're going to go ahead and fill it up and try it out and see how it works. So over here we have water, so we're going to go ahead and pour that in here. Leave some space for the what kind of oil we are using, Nisha? The eucalyptus. So of course you want to plug in over there, so. Oh Jesus, look there. Instantly start bubble up. Wow. So I guess you know say it work. Yeah. So you turn it all the way counterclockwise, you turn it off. Clockwise, turn it on. So as you can see, you just bubble it up on the or they are basically turning into mist. So we turn that off. And then come open up this. We need some assistance because only one hand me have a cameraman busy back there with the baby. I'm over there play some kind of game. Hurry up now.
I'm trying.
Why? May I tell you, man, if you not do them sitting and make sure you have good assistance because the one me have, she not have not name speed. Let me tell her hurry up one more time, we're gonna reach back there and be sitting. You soon done? How you smell?
Smell it.
You smell? Boy, yeah, you know bad. So we have a eucalyptus oil from Jamaica. I'm going to dash a little bit into that.
That's good.
Alright. That way I tell me that good for what
Because all you need is a little.
just a little dab. Just nobody touch you and make it get my hand. Oh, alright. So after you add
Oh my
what?
gosh. You only need literally a dab.
The no dab me use, it just come out look a bit more than a dab, but yeah, alright. So you put all of your pieces together. I guess mommy just turn it out to the side like that. And now we're going to turn it on. And we're going to see how this thing work. Hopefully work good. Alright, see it there. Look there, alright. You can see the steam idea come out. Blood cleat. See it there. Tell me when you smell the eucalyptus. But you smell the eucalyptus? Yeah? As you can see. She'll fight you up. Fight him up! Fight him up! Fight him up! So already you can smell the vapors from the eucalyptus oil. So you can kind of hear the water drops, or you can actually see it as well. It's basically sending all that little steam, the mist, all the way up through the little spouts, as you can see. So it's kind of cool. You can smell the eucalyptus. So it's supposed to fill the whole air with a mist of eucalyptus fragrance and clean out the baby. Why me I look pan you? You know look pan the product. Yes, you smell it back there. They clear out your nostrils. They clear out your nostrils. So you not gonna snore tonight? I hope not, because me I tell him I can't get no sleep. Have mercy. So anyway, so this has been the safety first humidifier that we get from Target, I must say. And it costs about $44. They have a small one, they have a medium one. This is the medium one, and they have a little bit larger one, but we say the medium one should do just fine. You know, it's the first one, so hopefully work good. So we're just going to go ahead and use this as the baby sleep, and hopefully this kind of help clear up our congestion and our stuffy nose. Watch her! What she do? If you can't see it well, I'm not sure now because we not go on YouTube. She has skin up her face and I smell up the ear. You smell the eucalyptus? You smell it? I think she smell it. So alright then, remember, if you don't like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, subscribe. What you have to say?
And like, thumbs up.
And thumbs up the video them too. You understand? We just a start, so we kinda rough. Camera quality are go on. We are learn as we go. You understand? Give them, left them with a joke, Nisha. Left them with a joke.
Jokes.
You give them one joke.
I don't have any jokes.
Give them one joke about how she fought and scare herself. Give them, tell them, Danisha.
No, you have to see it.
They have to see it for get the sweetness out. Alright, we can't give them that the joke then.
Yeah.
Stress. Well, I guess we not give them no joke. So watch on the pitney when they sleep. If they get look stuffy, make sure they no use no hand or whatever it is for clear them look boogie out of their nose. No make them suffocate and get one of them something here. Hopefully it work for Uno and hopefully it work for we. Alright then.